I got me one of our Black Friday television sets from the Best Buy. That thing does the 4K.
No, I want an officer red undercover knife and 200 rifle.
You'll shoot your eye out, kid. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
Well, here we are, the Friday before Christmas. It's just afternoon now, and I went ahead and left the office early today because, man, we got one hell of a drive coming up this evening. I'm going to go ahead and head back to Louisiana and spend the Christmas time with some family. So, that's a thing. Yeah, but anyway, so it recently occurred to me that there's a small additional purchase I can make right fast before we head out that will greatly enhance the Christmas gift that I got from my wife. And so we got to go to the store. So we headed to the store, and I figured what a great time to test 4K. Yeah, so truth be told, I've had 4K capabilities ever since I began motovlogging. Up here on my helmet I've got a Hero 4 Silver filming in 4K right now, and down there on the dash I got a Hero 3 Black, which is, I guess, like first generation 4K for GoPro. Now there's a couple caveats here. For one, the battery on the Hero 3 sucks. It's terrible, so I don't even know how long it'll film in 4K. Number two, I don't know if the 4K of the Hero 3 matches the resolution of the 4K of the Hero 4, and so I don't even know if I'll be able to utilize both pieces of footage and edit them together like I normally do. So time will tell. Sometimes it acts funny in the editing software. I had that come up one time when I tried filming the A camera in 1080p, and I had a smaller SIM card at the time in the or memory card, SD card, that's the word I'm looking for, in the Hero 3 at the time. And so I tried filming 720p on there, get to the editing process later, and it decided that it didn't want to mix that at all. It wasn't having any of it, man. It gave me errors and whatnot. Told me I was doing the wrong damn thing. Now, outside of that, I've never really seen the benefit of filming in 4K. I've never owned a 4K device. However, I got me one of our Black Friday television sets from the Best Buy. That thing does the 4K. So I figure I might as well jack around with it. You know, I'll be going a little bit like Chase on Two Wheels says, radio silent for a little while since the holidays kicking off. I don't know whether or not I'll have a video up here in the next week after this one or not. And so since I'll have some time to just sit around leading up to Christmas Day and fart around on the computer and whatnot, that I'd give editing a shot with 4K. Hang on, we gotta get off here, man. This is our exit. Shit. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. So they're gonna let me in. We got it. Alright. And we didn't die. Merry Christmas! Ha! Like I was saying, man, I don't even know how the rendering time is going to be trying to edit two pieces of footage together, 4K. Hell are these people doing, man? Out of the way! We got things to do, by God, and a long freaking drive ahead of us. All right. Ah, I'll tell you what, man, we got here a lot faster than I thought we would. That's not too bad. Yeah, so anyways, not especially looking forward to the drive, y'all. It's probably going to take 5 hours. It's typically about 4.5 hours on the nose to get up there to north central Louisiana. But I figured we got to add some kind of holiday traffic to that figure, so maybe up to 5 hours travel time. Hopefully the kids just go to sleep. You know what I'm saying? Is this a spot? That's a spot. We'll just take this one right here. Oh, guys, just a short one, man. I apologize, and I know it's been it's actually been probably I think last time I looked at my video manager, it's been like 6 days since my last upload. And you know, yeah, if you're OG, you know I have the week-long rule there, and I've been trying to stick to it, y'all. It's just, whew, it's been hectic with, you know, Christmas and everything, but I figured I'd try my best to bring you guys something before the holidays, and you know, just in general to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. And if you're traveling like I am, by all means, guys, be safe, and we will catch you here back shortly, sometime right after the Christmas holiday. But with all that being said,
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And a Happy New Year.